What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. And as by the title, you already see what's going on. So before we get into this video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, because your girl trying to get to 1K so we can get to 2K, 50K, 100K, all that. So if y'all don't mind clicking that subscribe button, turn y'all post bell notification on so you can be notified every time your girl posts a new video. So y'all, this wig I'm installing is from my collection, Royal Queen Wig House. Shout out to me. Might as well do a promo for my video and my hair and everything. So the first thing first, I'm getting into my ball cap. I put my makeup on. I'm cutting my lace. I'm cutting my cap so that it can be seamless as possible underneath my wig. So that's what y'all see me doing. I'm speeding up this video because I already discussed kind of a high install, my wig caps. Like, I already did that, so I'm definitely speeding that up in the process, because why talk about that when I already have tons of videos on it. So if y'all want to go check that out in a slow version, either comment down below, let me know to do a slower version on my ball cap method, or go to my previous videos so y'all can see that. So I'm just speeding through this. But no, y'all, for real, if y'all really want me to do a slow video, like a step-by-step of how I install my wig cap, y'all, just let me know in the comments, and I got y'all. So like I said, I'm not finna do all that rambling on my ball cap method because it's basically done. But right now what I'm doing is just cleaning that excess makeup off of my cap in the front so that all my glue, the lace, like all that could just stick down like normal. And y'all, any wig that come from Royal Queen Wig House, my collection, baby, is gonna be plucked to perfection. The knots gonna be bleached. If y'all want me to cut the lace, I got y'all. Like, everything is just gonna be done literally to perfection. However y'all want it, I got y'all. But all I'm doing right now is putting my foundation, the same color shade that is on my ball cap. I'm using that for my wig. I'm just literally brushing that onto the lace, brushing that into there so that the roots and everything could match the same shade of my ball cap, y'all. That's all I'm doing, and making sure it's all on there so I can see it. So the next step that I'll be doing is placing my wig just to see what it'll look like, and boom, y'all see that. I'm just placing that just to see how it's gonna look, where I need to, lay it, where I need to part it, make sure, my middle part is straight, everything is all good, because like I said, this is already pre-cut already. So a pre-cut wigs, you gotta make sure it's like, everything is perfect, because yeah. So I'm just combing out my wig, and y'all, this is my Miley wig. This is Miley, my blind wig from my 613 collection. So get into it though. So I'm just hot combing everything back, making sure everything is laid. I'm doing a little hype me up dance, so because I know I'm about to install this wig and it's gonna be bomb. So I'm just cutting my tabs and making sure they all just align, making sure everything is just, perfect. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just cutting that to make it fit my head, and making sure my ear tabs are laid together. So y'all, what y'all don't want to do is draw a whole line on the border of your lace. Do not, I repeat, do not do that. Do not do what I did and mess your whole install up. Don't do that. This is like the most important part of making sure, everything lines up. Not saying that I couldn't get the white line off of it that I drawn on it, but it's just it just put more work on me. And the fact that I try a different method, and it's always cool with trying different methods, it's like it either fits you or it doesn't, but at the end of the day, it's still like you tried it. So I'm definitely there for saying to try new methods. But y'all, this method just was not for me. It definitely was not. Everybody else tried to do this or do this, and it's just, like I said, not for me. So some people can, some people don't, some people won't, and I won't next time. So if I had any advice, I would say just mark it. Like, don't draw on the whole border. You can mark like the middle, you know, like the center of the wig, the sides, and then like in the middle of that line. So on both sides. So that's what I would suggest to do. Don't draw the whole, don't do that, y'all. Don't do what I did. Even though I was able to fix it, because makeup always fixed the job. If you know, you know. But I was not able to, it just wasn't getting down for me, y'all. So that's me placing it. I'm trying to just lay it down, you know, right behind that border. And that was okay. That was okay. That was okay. And then soon you'll see me trying to take that alcohol to remove that line, and it was giving me some problems, y'all. But y'all gonna see what your girl did. So I'm not gonna keep on rambling about that, but yeah, y'all gonna see what I did, because your girl worked some magic on it. But yeah, y'all see it. So if y'all don't do anything, make sure y'all lay y'all nail belt down. Make sure of that. If y'all want scalp, make sure y'all lay that belt down, like for real. So when you're doing that, I always love to hot comb my hair back, fix my middle part, do all of that good stuff. So whenever I take it off, it's like, okay, I kind of know what I want to do with it, while it's just, you know, basically melting in your scalp. So I took that off. That white residue is still on it. So I'm like, you know what? Step 2, makeup. Because I don't got time for this. So that kind of did the job. But yeah, y'all gonna see that. Okay, so y'all finna get a close-up of, y'all see that white residue. I'm putting makeup on that to cover it up. Then I'm just going through it, y'all, because I didn't even know what I really wanted to do with my hair. Then I'm like, this white residue is just blowing it. So I'm just like, let me just fix my part. So I'm going back, trying to spray some just to make that white go away. I'm laying it down again. So that's why I'm saying, y'all, don't draw that line on that, because it's gonna make it worse. So you gotta do you just gotta overwork yourself. You're working harder, not smarter. So y'all, I'm fixing my part. I'm laying my, you know, the same color of my foundation that I use on my ball cap and my wig. I had used that to define my part, to make sure my part looked crispy. Combing through my hair like I did 1,000 times, taking that belt off my head so I could just get into what I'm getting into. So still got that white residue, y'all see it? I'm just kind of repeating the same steps though, like makeup, spray, melt belt. Like, I'm just trying my hardest to really make that white go away, because it was not doing it, y'all. It just wasn't. So I'm trying to see if I want some baby hairs. Y'all gonna see me go through the process of trying to see if I want them, but I end up not doing it. But y'all see that? Like, yeah, I think y'all see me. But normally what I like to do before I do anything else after that, I love to hot comb my hair back and see any little, you know, any things I gotta fix. If I need to put some more glue down to, you know, make just a little part that wasn't sticking down, I gotta make sure that is laid down. So y'all see me doing that. Just put little dots and cover that up so I can lay that down. So nothing dramatic, but just lay that down with the end of my comb. And like I said, y'all gonna see, I'm really gonna take all of that and push it back. Because if y'all know me, I love me a blonde wig, but I love me a blonde wig better if it's all the hair is pushed back, no baby hairs, just plucked perfect to perfection, like to where it just look like it's coming on my scalp. So that's basically what y'all see me doing here. I'm really just like cutting it, trying to see what it look like. Y'all can't tell me that the no baby hairs was not giving. Like, look at that. Perfection. Sooner or later, I'm gonna put that melt belt down on there because it's best to just, like I said, once you have that scalp look, you lay that melt belt down. Okay, so y'all, another thing I like to do is before I put my melt belt on, I like to spray my hair back and, like, you know, make sure all that excess little strands of hair is away and put back. So once I do that, I use my hot comb and like lay all that back down so it could just look like scalp. So I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see this because your girl snapped on this one. Like, you're not finna tell me I didn't. So sooner or later, when it comes to that, I'm gonna zoom in and show y'all. Like, do y'all see that? Once I put that makeup on, y'all, it was giving scalp. For real, for real. Like, let's get into it. For real. I was trying to see, is it really giving? But yeah, it was giving. So, So y'all, once I end up seeing what is giving, that scalp look, I love to go to the extreme. Like, I love to make sure nobody don't see that line. When they like, is your hair really blind? Like, I'd be wanting that. I'd be wanting, is that a wig? You know, how you could hide that. Like, I don't want none of that. I just want you to look at my wig and see that it's just giving scalp. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So y'all, this is the end results of all of that. After the line, the white line, and everything. So I'm gonna make sure I show y'all some pictures and videos and everything of what it looked at like this weekend. Cause y'all, I did a lot of designs, a lot of different styles on my wig. And don't forget y'all to shop with your girl. Cause Royal Queen Wig House, it's only the start. It's only the beginning, baby. So I want y'all to stay tuned for that. And yeah, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Cause like I said, we on a road to 1K just to get it started. Cause then after that, it's 1K, 20K, 50K, 100K. Y'all get it. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching this video.